bro. We're experiencing nature right now, bro. Hey, yo, what's up? It's your boy Colimo. We experiencing nature right now, my gang, for sure, like, yeah. We just crossed the river for sure, bro. We doing the shit right now, yeah, for real. Ain't a copping, bitch, nigga. Tell the truth, nigga. Yeah, nigga. What's up? The river comes from this side, bro. It's the forest for sure. Yo, this is the river right now. Like, we're just exploring nature right now. You feel me? This is the river right now. Like, it goes this side. It's a very long river, so right now we're experiencing nature for sure. Hey, this is the flow of water. Like, it comes from this side, like, the other side for sure, bro. Yeah, we're experiencing nature right now, bro. Like, this live stream my game right now. So we move out the streets, we still experiencing this shit, sure. Yeah, alone, bro. I'm with the gang. I'm my friend, like, we still going, like, we move out, like, going that shit, like, you feel me? Bridge, you feel me? Yo, hey nigga, just made it to the beach right now, bro. You know? Like, where we doing this shit right now, bro? Just made it to the bridge right now. On the run, bro. We running back, nigga. Still running, bro. Running for sure, like, we be running like, yeah, for sure. I'm trying to catch up my gang. I'm trying to catch up with my niggas for sure. Oh. 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 Nigga, it's interesting, like, damn. What the shit right now, bro? Oh. What the hell is this looking so beautiful? Oh. Up the mountain. Really up the mountain. Yo. Show, like, climbing up the mountain. Maybe. Yo, look, all these, the mountain, the beach, like, they did this shit, bro. Them being stuck, like, we was stuck like for almost an hour looking for sun, bro. But we definitely found one at the moment, feel me? Yo, for sure, like, we still climbing up and going up the top, for sure. We've walked like 3 hours right now. We're still walking and traveling, like, just going up and up, bro. Continue, bro. Some of my friends are up there, like, really up there. Sure, moving. Just still going, bro. Can I experience this nature right now? Yo, feel me? Yeah, sure. Going for sure. Oh, so. We are men, bro. Yeah. gotta climb off these hills, bro. Like, oh, shit. Oh, we're climbing out, bro. Hey! Hey! Abwa? Oh. Iwe pitira huku. Oh, na iwe. Okay, bwera. Yo, gwira huku. Uzapita. Kakwera ngolimba.